Imagine if it didn't work. Okay. Okay. Beautiful. I'm going to try two things. This is what I expect from you guys to do at home. So I don't use the sponges, they're just too big. I always cut them in half. When I use them, cut them, not break them. Okay. Now the reason I'm showing you this baby is because it is a textured surface. So I'm going to show you, for those of you that have these surfaces at home, you know the little, where all the, like it's like a mat cupboard where all the dirt sticks in. Okay. Now the two things I want you to try. The first thing is the most cost-effective option. Is just the microfiber, no magic eraser at all. Now, you see? Then I'm going to try magic eraser over here. I don't see the difference. It's all scratches. No. Okay. So let's just make sure. So what I've done, I'll just run through quickly. Okay. So the first thing you do when you're cleaning anything is you test. Right there. Okay. You always test the area to see what the surface needs. Does it need magic eraser? Does it need microfiber? Does it need degreaser? I know this is going to need degreaser because it's a builder and it's a tough surface to clean. So that's why first I said, let's just test it. Okay, that worked fine. I didn't need to pull this out, but I'm going to clean all of them. Let me see if it works any better. Now, we open this baby up. Okay. Now I'm going to need you to see this. I think you can see this already. Okay. All right. Let's just see. All right. Okay, so we'll spray our degreaser and we'll go. That was that. Now I'm going to try this side. Cool. Let's see if which side come up better. I would probably say maybe this side. I'll show you. So this is the magic eraser side. This is the no magic eraser side. I think this come up, said the texture, the surface said this is pretty hardcore.